Hey, welcome to the channel. Are you a filmmaker, a photographer, or somebody that just wants to make something awesome? Well, if you are, then this is the place to learn how to plan, shoot, and edit amazing videos, learn how to take incredible photos, and learn techniques that will take your work to the next level. But why should you listen to me? Well, my name is Chris and I'm a full-time freelance filmmaker and photographer. I've worked with some awesome companies and some incredible artists, and I want to share everything that I've learned along the way with you. So whether it be Photoshop tutorials or tips and tricks that I've learned from set, this channel purely exists to help you create something awesome today. So make sure to subscribe. I upload a brand new video every single day, and the best way to stay updated on everything that I post is by pressing that awesome subscribe button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate you being here, and I hope this channel helps you create something awesome.